Hey people, how are we all doing? I hope everyone is alright and not too cold with this change in the weather. Can you believe there was snow in places? It's been raining a lot here. But even though it was raining, a delivery driver made it through and arrived with this. I only just got the notification like yesterday or the day before, so I'm shocked it got here so quickly. But this is the latest Tili box. Because it's October, I guess this is the last one for the year, October, November, December, because they come out quarterly. Is this going to be like a festive box? Is it going to be a getting you ready for Christmas parties box? Is it going to be just a keeping you okay for autumn box? I have no idea what is inside this box, but look at it, it's very pretty. Got my husband just to unpack it for me. He's like, oh, it's so pretty, isn't it? Yes, it is. Tili boxes are always nice. These are from QVC, they're £20, they're not a subscription, so you're not tied in. And if you want to find out what is inside, then you need to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and when you're done, share the heck out of this video. Alright, let's get into it. Tili boxes are always really well made and they're solid, so you could keep them for ages. And this one is Urban Jungle. Try it, love it. That's what Tili stands for. Oh, no, I don't want to read the back because it tells me what's inside. Oh, no, even more telling me what's inside. Explore the bright lights of the beauty world with our City Living edit, showcasing pollutant shielding formulas, detoxifying skincare and the makeup and hair care to prepare you for anything. After all, it's a jungle out there. So nothing to do with the season, just all about looking after us. Okay, I'm going to put this down. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And we have like got green with the, I don't know, what is that, cheetah? Not panther, not tiger. Is it cheetah, that kind of pattern? Leopard, that the other one. Or is leopard more spotty? I don't know. Don't come to me if you want to understand about different animals. Taking this out. Wow, wow, this box is so mega full. I can't believe this is 20 quid. Like, look at all that stuff. Let's dive in. Right, start with this big beast. This must be full size, I'm guessing. I don't know. Or at least a big size, and it's a shower gel. Oh, how exciting to have a nice big size shower gel, because often we get teeny tiny ones, but you know, in my house that shower gel gets used really quickly, so I'm really happy. It's called Lavender Blossom, and it says the breezy scent of fresh lavender and citrus leaves, creamy foam shower gel with wheat proteins and althea extract helps maintain skin's natural moisture levels. And I have to say, look at that packaging. So it's like gold, purple, black, mysterious, intriguing, a bit exotic. Am I getting carried away? I'm a bit overexcited. The lavender scent is there. It's not super strong. It's like not on Sanctuary Spa kind of levels. So if you like less scented things, you'll probably like this, but it does have a nice scent. It might be nice even as a pre-bed shower because, you know, lavender's relaxing and all that. Very happy. The scent of lavender and citrus leaves gives your shower time a feeling of total zen, while the creamy foam helps to reinforce your skin's natural barrier and reduce visible signs of premature aging. Ooh, something that helps our skin stay young. Can't be cross at that. Oh, also, for people who are conscious of this stuff, it's free from mineral oils, petroleum, paraffin, wax, silicones, parabens, propylene, glycol, ethanolamines, PEG, ALS, synthetic dye, phthalates, polycylic musk, retinol, animal byproducts, pH neutral. It's suitable for vegetarians and vegans, and that's it. Cool. Oh, what's this? Oh, something from Winky Lux. Now, I love my last product I got from Winky Lux. That was the little lip product that kind of looks clear, kind of purpley, and then when you put it on your lips, it goes pink. Loved it. So I'm excited to have something else. This is the Mermaid Kitten palette. What does that mean? And on the back it says Ursula, an exotic squid ink plum with blendable pigment and prismatic shimmer. Complete your siren-worthy collection when you purchase the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette. Oh, I wonder if this is like one bit of it. Winky Lux. Hashtag it's a winky world and it's cruelty free. Again, really beautiful packaging, really like that. See all those little cats? Don't even like cats, but I quite like it on here. So I'm guessing this is just one eye colour. Oh wow, loving that. I love purple stuff. If you could see me right now, I'm wearing purple leggings. It looks like that. Nice bit of shine. That's really nice. That's really nice, like that. And I guess there's more in the full collection if you're interested. Hailing from the stylish streets of NYC, this eyeshadow is so high pigment it gives us all of the glamour feels. An inky plum hue with a prismatic shimmer which crowns you the absolute queen of the jungle. I think maybe this needs laying up to be massively pigmented. I mean, it looks quite good there. That's a couple of swipes. Let's just go over it a bit. Definitely as you layer up, it gets stronger. It's never as dark in here as it is here. Similar, nice, good. So we have this from Antipodes. Do I know this brand? I don't think I do. Worship Skin Defense Antioxidant Serum. Oh, nice. With boysenberry, blackcurrant, kiwi, and Venanza, maybe, grape. Certified BioGrow New Zealand organic. 100% of ingredients from natural origin and made in New Zealand. Defends cells against antioxidant stress that can lead to your skin's early aging with a daily dose of healthy antioxidants that help combat free radical damage. The Supreme Organic Skin Booster features New Zealand grown superfoods blessed with some of nature's highest concentrations of anti-aging antioxidants, boysenberry, blackcurrant and kiwi fruit, plus revolutionary Venanza grape extract, also powered with coffee, cherry and acai. This is your skin's daily shot of youth, suited to most skin conditions, especially oily. Oh, wonderful. Worship, it says, this is worship your face, neck and décolletage daily by dispensing onto your fingertips and gently rubbing into skin before moisturising, and no animal testing. And it's vegan approved as well, which is brilliant. It's amazing now, isn't it? How many things that we can create that are vegan and good for the environment and natural, considering all the years of using so many chemicals. And then there's all this stuff that we can have. It's great that brands are doing more, because why not? Can't hurt anyone to have vegan natural products. I'm gonna have a sniff. Ooh, okay, that's the dropper. That's not looking very nice, is it? Let me get it. Oh my goodness, that looks grim. Well, I don't know. Grim, is that the word? It looks like sort of chocolate milk. Doesn't smell bad. It smells really nice, actually. I've definitely had things that look better and smell worse. So this might not look great, but it smells delicious. And I'm gonna enjoy giving this a try. Oh, good. Glad to see this from Quarterly. Love a bit of Quarterly. This is Vino Source moisturising sorbet. Oh dear. And this is just a nice moisturiser. I've had it before, I've used it before, quite like it. It's quite light. Skin feeling parched? Quench that thirst with this gel cream that melts into your skin, cooling and replenishing your skin's water reserves to give it a much needed hydration hit. And I would say that's true. It's good. It's just like that. I mean, it's a cream. What can we say? It's nice. It's light. Smells quite fresh. Yeah, it's good. Here's something in a bigger bottle, and a big shiny reflective bottle as well. Petite Bod, not me. Mermaid Shimmer Sorbet. Bod Girl Sexy AF. Hydrate, shimmer, sparkle. Vegan friendly. For best results, massage into skin, layer for a more intense mermaid look. Everything is better with sparkle, and that includes moisturising with silky velvet feel formula and shimmer particles to give your skin an iridescent glow. You can layer for a more holographic effect that gives major party time feels. So it's like a moisturiser, a sparkly moisturiser. I've got to try this somewhere. It's not going to focus, but it's kind of like a pearlescent kind of cream with bits of glitter in it. Can you see that? Let me hold my arm up as I spread it out. So if I turn it into the light, so you can see the gleam. Like, honestly, if I was to rub it into my arm, like, wow, look at that shine. So a little will go a long way, and it's got some super big bits of glitter. If I hold it closer, you can see that. Wow, I put on way too much. I did not expect that result. And it says you can layer up for a more mermaidy effect. Crikey. So I guess you could use that anywhere. You could use that as highlight maybe as well. You could probably put it on your eyelids if you wanted a bit of extra shine, and of course on your body. But wow, impressive. Extra shiny glittery lips. Why not? Can't help to have an extra moisturiser on your lips, can it? Oh, happy to see this. Wish it was bigger, but happy to see it. So this is from Sand and Sky, and this is their Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. I like it, it does work. The wonderful Lightning Lass, I'll link her channel below. She sent me some of this ages ago and it was very kind of her to share, and it was really good. Not tested on animals. Your life is complicated enough, so take it easy with a straightforward 4-in-1 clay mask that draws out pollutants, city smog while looking at you, and impurities. Detox in one simple step and carry on living your best life. So this has probably got enough for 2 uses in it. Like, I tend to put it all over my face, but you can be more specific. So like your nose, T-zone, chin, whatever, and probably get maybe more uses than that. But this is a good mask. Right, what's this? Ciate Liquid Velvet. This is a classic lip colour. Probably matte. In Pin-Up, which is Pink Berry. So this colour, Delight, which is a dusky nude, or Voodoo Vamp Red. Oh, I would have liked to have that. You can see I'm a fan of red. Or Fling Nude Pink, liquid lipstick in a matte finish, told you, that doesn't dry out your lips. Revelation. Its high pigment, long wearing lip colour is infused with hyaluronic acid to keep your lips feeling plumped and hydrated day and night. Well, that's an interesting one. I don't think I've seen one that's got hyaluronic acid in it as well. There you go. Oh, let me hold my arm up again. Classic colour, but maybe a better formula. I have to say I do really like applicator. It's got like a little dent on that side and I like the shape of it. I think that would be nice to apply on the lips. This is cute. And this is what everybody needs, especially in this season, because look, it's like a hairband thing, and it's got like, I don't know how to show this to you, sort of holes in it. I guess I could put it on my head. It's a Tili headband. Whether on your travels, relaxing with a face mask, or applying your makeup, this fabulous printed and gorgeously soft headband has been designed just for Tili fans to help you stand out from the crowd. So this is what it looks like around your neck if you just fancied some kind of neck scarf thing. It's like in your head. I'm just trying to open it up so you can see that it's got the holes in it. Kind of reminds me of a sort of 50s housewife one, but yeah, looks quite cute. Looks a bit weird on my hair there, but what do we think? Am I rocking it? And yeah, it does keep your hair back. It's nice and tight, so good, why not? And it's definitely a bit more stylish than my cat is. What is this? This is quite big and it's cold. And it's Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. I don't really use dry shampoos, so this is definitely going in my giveaway box. In fact, does somebody want it? If you want it, tell me what makes your perfect hair day down below and I will send it out to you in the post. Whoever I pick at random who tells me what makes your perfect hair day. And of course you have to be subscribed to my channel. You can do the same by getting extra entries on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook as normal. Make sure you're following me on those and I can see you're following me and I can see you're subscribed, because otherwise your entries won't count. I'll put the full list of rules down in the information box, and you have to be in the UK for me to send this to you, so it's UK only. And I will do this draw, I don't know, next week, along with the other draw that I did promise to do last week as well. Don't worry, they're all coming. This is really, really cold. The more I wiggle this around, the colder my fingers are getting. This says, eke an extra day out of your hair wash, meaning less time getting ready and more time for cocktails. This squeaky clean scented dry shampoo absorbs oil, sweat and odour and leaves hair looking and feeling fresh. I won't even spray it because I'm giving it away to somebody out there. There you go. Not much left now. What have we got? Oh, I've literally just opened one of these. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie. I'm just going to go and get my one. I'll be back. This is the one I already had with the wrapper off, so you can see it a bit better. It's just green on the end. It's just a, don't think it's full size. I used this the other day because my regular stuff, I couldn't find it and I was like, oh, I need some eyeliner, I need to put some eyes on. This isn't obviously as pointy as it is when you buy it, but it's just a really creamy, beautifully dark eyeliner. It's really nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the point fades really quickly, so it's really hard to do like a pointed flick, but for if you're doing like a big eyeliner look, or if you want to do the main eye and then do your flick in something else, that's good. And it's really dark and it stays really well. Like, I find that if I put my regular eyeliner on and I take my eyelashes off because say they're in the wrong place, and I take this off and I have to put the other one on, it's too wet, it doesn't dry that quickly. And then when I put the glue on, it kind of moves around and stuff, but using this, once I put this on, it's dry really quickly and doesn't seem to move around that much. So I do like this, I think it's a good product. I guess if I sharpen it, it will work if I can find my sharpener. I don't know how smudge proof it is. I've never really tried. There we go. So obviously it will smudge. It's pretty much staying there unless I really drag it. And I found this really good on my eyes, and when my eyes water as well, that was good. And I was able to like sort of tight line a bit with it as well. So I do like this. I think it's a nice formula and it's good to see it in this box. I think we're on our last item. That's sad, isn't it? It's this. It's in a little bag. Let's open it up. I was just hoping for perfume and it's a fragrance. I just got scared then that it was a room fragrance. It's not a room fragrance. I can't get in the bag. It looks like this. Ooh, posh. I don't know this brand. Do you know this brand? I don't know this brand. Shea and Blue London Boutique Perfumery, established in 2012. Oh, this is pretty. Put a close-up picture on the screen. Shea and Blue Black Tulip. This sounds lush. Spritz the scent of velvety floral freshness to transport yourself away from the bright lights towards a luxurious feeling of zen. This elegant eau de parfum gives a rich, sensual fragrance that lasts and lasts. The proof is in the sniffing. And I think that is like a nice night perfume. Date night perfume. Better not spray it near my husband, he'll fancy me too much. Mind you, I've got to trick him with something, don't I? I like that, that's really nice. And the size of this is very decent. You can keep that in your bag, keep it in the car, work, whatever. And that is everything in this box. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products for our £20. I am going to do a quick add up and I'll be back with you to tell you my final thoughts. So something really weird has happened. They say on the website that this box is worth over £54, which is awesome for £20. But when I'm adding it up, I get that it's worth £74.95. You can see all my numbers that I've put throughout the video. So that's amazing. And that's not including something for the headband, which I'm guessing would be about £10. So wow, what an awesome value box. Whether it's £54 or it's £74, I think it's a great value box with lots of interesting things and lots of new products from different brands to try, which is really nice. And yes, we have some things we've seen before, like this, and possibly this, but I don't think I've actually tried this one with the hyaluronic acid in it. But lots of new things like this. Look at my sparkly lips, look at my sparkly hand, and this stuff, which is great. Also, I learned that with this, Quarterly give back 1% of their stuff. They're part of 1% for the planet. I don't know if it's just on this product or maybe their brand overall, which gives money to the environment, which is awesome. Also, this perfume from Shea and Blue is animal cruelty free, so that is also a bonus. I think this is an awesome box, definitely worth the money. I've tried it and I've loved it. I have to say, while I've been sitting here doing this, the more I've smelled the perfume, the more I've loved it, which has been delightful. And I just gave it to my husband. He was like, wow. So that's good. Yeah, I think this is a really excellent box and I can't wait for the next one. Thank you so much for joining me and spending your valuable time listening to me blabber on. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well. Take care of yourselves. Bye guys.